Today I'm going to demonstrate how to prepare a fuzzy Mexican. Now, as any fuzzy drink normally denotes, it's going to require peach schnapps. We're going to use peach tree, and we're going to use wild tequila for demonstration purposes, but feel free to use the tequila of your choice. The more expensive, generally, the better when it comes to tequila, because basically Mexican law requires that all tequila be made of 51% pure blue agave, but the better stuff's made from 100%, and that's what you want to be drinking. So you start with your ice, fill up your mixing glass, and then we're going to put in equal parts of peach tree schnapps and tequila. So 1, 2, and 3 for a 3/4 ounce pour, and the same with your tequila, 1, 2, and 3. From there, you're going to take your shot glass, of course, definitely a necessity for this, and we're going to combine, mix and shake, give our tin a little tap to break that seal, and then simply strain directly into our shot glass. And there you have your fuzzy Mexican. Enjoy.